Hello, this is David with Technewszone.com. Another video today. This is an unboxing video. It reminds me of the maker box that we had gotten in the past. This one's from Alien 3D in Silver Springs, Florida. It's a box. Nice looking box, actually. It says UFO on it. Everything's backwards on my camera, but Alien. But in the box we got a bonus project. It actually sent us a little kit to build a robot, motor and wires and everything. A little tiny screw that fell out. Oh, they're falling out. There's some little itty bitty screws. So it's actually a little tiny kit to build a little tiny robot project, which is kind of cool. Some information from UFO, a scraper from BuildTech, some advertising from BuildTech, some purplish transparent sapphire PETG from 3DX Tech. We'd love to mess with more 3DX Tech products. Haven't even heard of them before, but we'll look into that. Some 3D Fuel coffee infused PLA. I still like the guys at Protopos to do. Another company that does coffee infused. We like coffee. I like coffee infused. This is some H&H 3D Plastics white PLA. And then a roll of, it looks like Hello 3D UV light changing PLA. So we'll probably print something with this and mess with it as well. And then there's a piece of paper in there. Hello, I've sent you this box. Growing representative of the 3D. Went to market. Oh, that's cool. This is a little thank you letter. We're not the big guys, but we are trying to be. I'm also a teacher, blogger. I'm David with Technewszone.com. I'm a Las Vegas native, UNLV alumni, tech nerd. At the moment, I'm actually got approved to be a teacher in training. I'm also in sales. Got to make a living. I'm wife and 3 kids. But now I'm working 7 days a week. Part of the time for Lenovo, part of the time as a blogger, part of the time I'm doing teaching training as well, and then other things as well. But so also looking into cryptocurrency. But I also got some samples of Magic Goo, the surface glue for 3D printing as well. And later on I'm going to build this. There's a little kit to build a 3D robot. So we'll see how that goes. We're expecting some samples from Capricorn. We're expecting a Jellybox 2 from I Made 3D, but I haven't heard anything in a while, so hopefully that's still happening. And we're doing some testing and reviewing. Right now I have a G-Tech E180 that's working well and a Snapmaker that's working well. Our Tier Time stopped working. I need a hot end for it. So if you're from Tier Time and are watching this video, please send me a hot end. If not, when I get some money, I'll buy a hot end. Same with our Kadama. It died, but we will try to fix it. But once again, this is from UFO. It's a maker box type thing. Samples, very impressed by it. More stuff in it than I've seen in other places, so it's pretty cool. We would love to receive that monthly. We'll get money, we'll probably subscribe. But this is Dave with Technewszone.com, June 23rd, 2018, signing off. Vegas strong.